Alright, hey guys, so I am going to be doing a protein treatment today. I already shampooed my hair because it doesn't say to start on it doesn't say to start on shampooed hair, but I did see in like previous videos people would shampoo their hair. Now originally I wanted to get the Afro G, the 2-step protein treatment, but I couldn't find anywhere. So I have this Hi-Pro-Pac Keratin Protein No-Frizz hair. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it. I have not. So that's what we're using today. I got 3 packs of these. I should have probably gotten 4, but we're gonna see how this goes. So the instructions say to apply evenly on wet hair and massage through to ends. Leave on hair 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. I have thick hair, so I don't think. No, I think 5 minutes would probably just be enough, maybe even longer. In case my hair does start to dry, I do have my spray bottle. So we're just gonna hop right into it while my hair is still wet. Maybe like that much. Hopefully that's good. I'm really like not trying to waste no product because I don't know why I didn't get just 4. Whatever. Alright, she's in. I also have my wide tooth comb because I do want to detangle my hair a little bit. I don't want to just do this whole process and not detangle my hair. I hope this actually works because y'all, I have breakage. Not really bad, but it's breakage, and I don't do protein treatments. And I was looking up on it, you know, like I think my hair over time all I do is, you know, shampoo, condition, deep condition. So my hair may be over moisturized, but I don't deep condition enough, I feel like, for it to be over moisturized. So yeah, I don't know. It's my hands are running through it. It smells like conditioner. That's honestly what this just feels like. So I'm hoping this is actually a protein treatment, not just conditioner. But we're gonna see. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue doing this on my entire head, and I'm just gonna speed this up. So it says to leave this in for about I'm gonna say 10 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to go and rinse this out, and then I will be back to show you guys the final look. Okay, so I just got out the shower, and I just have in the leave-in conditioner. Y'all excuse me in the way I look, but I'm just gonna show you guys one section because I'm about to style my hair and I don't want to take out all my sections. But I'm just show you guys how my hair is looking with just the leave-in. You guys see that? My hair feels so soft, like so soft, so like manageable. It doesn't feel strong like everybody says. Everybody says their hair usually feels strong after, you know, doing a protein treatment, but I don't know. I like it. I'm gonna see how my hair looks styled, and you know, that will be, I don't know if that will be like the determining factor, but I feel like it should have some sort of like impact. But overall, it was okay. I don't know. I mean, I knew what to expect, but then I didn't know what to expect because I've never done a protein treatment before. So yeah, but not bad, not bad. That's pretty much the end of this video. I'm going to style my hair. Stay tuned for my next video. I will be posting how I am styling my hair right now, but I'll be posting it in my next video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.